Okay, let's say we need to perform an X-ray report. It's very easy to do. Simply touch the X-ray report. We'll select our friend Harvey Lillard again. If we, somehow forgot to do it yesterday, we could simply change the date right there. And hit select. Now it says please choose the first X-ray view. Let's say we did an AP open mouth, so we touch that. Let's say we did a neutral lateral cervical, and an AP lower cervical, AP lumbar, and a lateral lumbar. I have a tremendous amount of different X-ray views for you to do. And when we're finished, simply select Done. Now it says please choose the normal findings. There were no fractures, so we touch that. Bone density was normal. Soft tissue looked normal. Cervical structures are essentially normal. Cervical disc spaces were normal except were noted. Maybe we say lumbosacral structures were essentially normal, and lumbar disc spaces were within normal limits. And when we're finished, we simply select Done. Now for our friends that aren't within normal limits. Perhaps the patient had cervical hypolordosis. We select that. We could say just leave it as it is by not measuring, or we could say, you know what, I do want to measure it. Normal is supposed to be 35 to 45 degrees. We're going to say it was 20 degrees. Then select Done. Perhaps there was lumbar hyperlordosis. Normal is supposed to be 40 to 60 degrees. We're going to say it was 65 degrees. Select Done. Say perhaps there was spina bifida there, right at S1. Excuse me. And we could select as many of these as there was. When we're finished, simply select Done. Perhaps we want to say there was left spinous rotation at C2, C4, maybe C3 also, T9, and L4. Simply select Done. And maybe there was right spinous rotation. Again, if it has left, it can't have right, so the software automatically recognizes that those ones you don't want to say it was left and right. It's hard to do. So we'll just pick some of these. When we're finished, we hit Done. Perhaps we had ponticus posticus, and it was just a regular type. Maybe had nuclear impressions, and we would just select where the nuclear impressions were. When we're finished, we hit Done. Perhaps Ferguson's line was off. Maybe it passed anterior. We could put in the patient's listings. Using diversified or Gonstead, I'm going to say diversified listings, and we'll say these were his listings based on his X-ray findings. And when we're finished, we hit Done. Now we're going to go to maybe you had a leg length difference here. It automatically calculates it in there for you. So we say it was short right. And in millimeters, we're going to say it was 2. And then the iliac crest was short on the right too, and we're going to say that one was 8. Finished, hit Done. And we could go on and on and on. Instead, we're going to say this was it, and we're going to hit Done. You can see it's created an X-ray report, including recommendations. You can always edit these things. You can always add things to it through insert custom text, or just either using handwriting recognition or typing onto the screen. When we're finished, we simply hit Exit, and it returns us back to the start screen.